Pax's Big Heart. High up in the Whispering Woods lived Pax. He was a small red panda with a very big heart. Pax loved to look for ways to make his friends feel happy and safe. Today, he put on his favorite scarf and went for a walk to see how everyone was doing. As Pax walked by the river, he saw his friend Anaya the elephant. Anaya looked very sad. She was staring at the ground, where her strawberry ice cream cone had fallen into the grass. Her big ears were drooping low. Pax did not have another ice cream, but he did have a bag of crunchy crackers. He sat down next to Anaya and offered her some of his snack. Sharing can turn a sad day into a better one, Pax said. Anaya smiled and took a cracker. Further down the path, Pax heard a loud chirp, chirp, chirp. It was Pip the bluebird. Pip was fluttering his wings and looking very worried. He had lost his favorite shiny blue pebble in the tall, wavy grass. "Don't worry, Pip, I will help you look," said Pax. Pax used his paws to move the grass aside while Pip flew low to the ground. They searched together until Pax saw something sparkle. He had found the blue pebble for his friend. Later that afternoon, the woods became very noisy. Some monkeys were playing loud drums nearby. Pax saw Tariq the turtle tucked tightly inside his shell. Tariq did not like loud noises, and he felt a little bit scared. Pax did not try to make Tariq come out. Instead, he just sat quietly on the grass right next to the shell. "I am here for you, Tariq," Pax whispered. "Sometimes, being a good friend just means being quiet and staying close." By the time the sun began to set, Pax's friends wanted to show him how much they cared too. Anaya and Pip worked together to pick the prettiest yellow flowers they could find in the meadow. They wanted to make a special gift for Pax. They found Pax resting under a big oak tree with Tariq. Tariq had come out of his shell and was holding a crown made of flowers. He carefully placed it on Pax's head. "Thank you for being so kind to us," Tariq said. Pax felt a warm, fuzzy feeling in his chest. He realized that when we use our hands to help and our hearts to listen, the whole world feels like a hug. Caring for others is the best way to spend the day.